I guess it's a quick starting on 11.7. I gotta talk quietly because people are sleeping here. So, anyways, number one, calculate amount of simple interest earned. Obviously, that's a simple interest formula. So, formula one, excuse me, $1,000, 8%. This is for 4 years. All right, done. 320. Okay, number two, future value. Future value for simple interest. So that's 1B, 350 at 3.25%, so 3.375% for 2 years. So that's 376.25. Okay, number three, you look at your budget, you can afford 270 for a month per car. Maximum loan, okay, loan means I'm in equation 5. And I know the monthly payment already, so I'm using 5 BAA that means. So 270 is the monthly payment, 3%. This That's monthly, so N is 12 and for 4 years. All right, so you can afford a $12,000 car basically. One night, 8.25. Okay. Sorry, my coughing. Okay, number four. Uh, Classified financial 100% interest rate, compounded annually. Sorry, 10% interest compounded annually. Value certificate. Okay, so it's a single time looking for the future value. And that would be 2A. Yeah, this is $1,000, 10%. Compounded annually, N is 1 in 3 years. So that's 1,331.00. All right, moving on. Number five, 8% compound annually. Deposit each year. So that's multiple deposits. What's the total? That's 4A. Multiple deposits. You want to know the future. Yeah. So 400, 8% each year means N is 1 and for 10 years. That's the future value question of an annuity. So actually, it's called ordinary annuity. Yeah, and then that's a 5794.62. Okay, six. Sorry, guys. Let's get a little cough going on. Okay, classify financial plan. 10% compound annually. What annual deposit? Okay, so they're asking for what annual deposit. That means one of the fours and 4B because you want to know, you already know what your target is. It's 10,000. Oops, sorry. One too many zeros. 10% interest and is annual, so one, and then in 3 years. This one's called a sinking fund. It's kind of a weird name, but that's really just a periodic payment. 3021.15. Okay, number seven, $606 million apartment complex loan. Okay, loan. It's probably going to be a 5. Paid off in 10 years, 10 equal payments. How much is each payment? Okay, so you want to know payment amounts, right? That's going to be a 5B for $6 million at a 4.5% interest. Is annual, so N is 1. And this is in 10 years. Right, so this is amortization 758,272.93. All right, number 8, apartment complex. We need only painting 2.5 years. It's gonna cost worth 5,000. What needs to be deposited now? Okay, so one-time deposit, right? That's gonna be 2B, 145,000. 3% interest. Semi-annually means it is 2. And this is how many years? 2.5 years. 2.5 years. Okay, we're looking for the present value compound interest. That's 134,597.75. All right, last one. 30-year fixed rate home loan, 555, 500, interest rate of 5.25%. What's the total interest? Okay, total interest means first you got to figure out the payment amount. That's going to be 5B. So the loan is told to you 555, 500, right? 5.25%. This is a fixed rate home loan. Like it doesn't actually say, but risk any monthly payments because home loans are always monthly. And for 30 years. All right, so your number is 3067.49. But this is gonna plug this into a calculator. So I'm gonna use a actually I'll use a separate calculator just because it's easier for you guys to follow, I think. So 3067.49 times 12 times 30, because that's how many times you pay it, right? Subtract the loan amount to tell you the interest paid. Right, so that'd be 548,796.4. All right, let's check if we made any mistakes. Green checks, green checks, green checks. All right, that's it.